What's up, guys? Today, let's go for a quick drive in this 2022 Nissan Frontier Pro X. So the Frontier Pro X is a 3.8 liter V6 with 310 horsepower. You have cloth seats in the Pro X. I like the orange badge and stitching and theme of the Pro X models. You have orange gauges, outline gauges at least. You have orange trim in the interior. You have cloth seats with this rugged looking pattern, and Pro X is embroidered into the seats. You can scroll through the gauge cluster, see an off-road screen, auxiliary gauges, driving, fuel economy. The backup camera, pretty poor resolution, but gets the job done, I guess. Let me adjust that steering rack column real quick. There we go. Steering is pretty heavy, which is nice. I like that because a lot of cars, SUVs, and even trucks these days just have very numb steering. It sucks. I like the steering. Pickup's pretty good. I mean, it does have 310 horsepower, which is apparently the best in class according to Wikipedia. The seat is not very comfortable. I mean, as one can assume, this isn't really like a luxury car or anything like that. It's definitely a work truck and for off-roading and things like that. But I really do like the way the theme of the car with the orange and everything, as I said earlier, and the way the truck looks. I think it looks pretty good. Transmission shifts pretty well too. Let's just take a quick look at the exterior of the truck. This one's black. Pretty cool daytime running lights. It's good looking for sure. Orange Nissan badge. I like the wheels. This one was definitely used for its purpose, with the truck bed being all scratched up and stuff. Got these side steps to get in and out. Backseat room is a little bit limited for sure. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy simple car videos. And I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.